Hello. Welcome to Just for Stocks. The stock market indices are currently showing a downward trend. The BSE Sensex is down by 0.31%, the Nifty 50 is down by 0.16%, and the Nifty Bank is down by 0.99%. This indicates that there is a general decline in stock prices across the board. My portfolio performance today. Indian market updates. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to Adani Enterprises-led consortium on their plea seeking to invoke arbitration against the non-allocation of a coal block in Chhattisgarh. The consortium is claiming approximately 100 crores in costs. In July, the Gujarat High Court had rejected the consortium's plea to invoke arbitration. Alembic Pharmaceuticals has secured final approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for their paliperidone extended-release tablets. These tablets are an atypical antipsychotic medication used to treat schizophrenia. Alkem Labs has denied the claims that their Pandi and Clavum 625 batches are not of standard quality. Alkem Labs asserts that all their products are manufactured in accordance with current good manufacturing practices. Furthermore, they claim that the samples mentioned in the CDSCO list are spurious and not manufactured by Alkem. CLSA has reaffirmed its positive stance on Bajaj Finance, maintaining an outperform rating with a target price of 9,200. The brokerage firm anticipates that the company's challenges will gradually ease, leading to improved performance in the coming quarters. A diversified public sector undertaking, Balmer Lorry & Co., is planning a capital expenditure of 700 crore to diversify into ethanol production. The company aims to achieve a revenue of 6,000 crore by 2030. DAM Capital has downgraded Birlasoft, citing concerns about the company's reliance on larger accounts and increased focus on infrastructure deals, which have lower gross margins in the early stages of projects. The brokerage firm also believes that Birlasoft's valuations are expensive. Cisco has launched its first manufacturing facility in Chennai, India. The facility will produce Cisco's routing and switching products. Cisco aims to drive over $1.3 billion in revenue with this investment and expects the facility to create 1,200 jobs. Hexacon has unveiled MES Global Convention Center, Pune's largest convention center. The company anticipates revenue projections for MES Global to be between 40 and 50 crore annually for FY25 and FY26. Furthermore, Hexacon expects growth to accelerate to a 50% CAGR from FY27 onwards, using FY26 as the base year. The board of Fedbank Financial has approved the appointment of Shalm Srinivasan as the company's non-executive chairman for a period of 3 years. This information was disclosed in an exchange filing. The Supreme Court has given GMR Airports the green light to operate and upgrade Nagpur Airport. This development places GMR Airport in the spotlight. Manali Petrochemicals has highlighted its strong financial position, emphasizing a low level of long-term debt, comfortable interest coverage ratio, regular use of internal accruals for expansion, and healthy liquidity ratios. The company believes this financial strength presents a significant opportunity for value unlocking. Marico is facing challenges in Bangladesh, primarily due to concerns about cash repatriation risks. These risks are a key driver of a negative outlook on the company. Additionally, dividend payouts from Marico's Bangladesh operations are expected to be delayed. Newland Lab surges on U.S. FDA approval of Bristol Myers Squibb's schizophrenia drug. Analysts are awaiting confirmation of whether Newland Lab will be the exclusive supplier for the drug. Edelweiss Group has sold slightly under 14% of its stake in Nuvama Wealth Management today. Shares of Nuvama Wealth surged over 3% following the announcement. Ola Electric's S1X 2 kWh scooter has received PLI certification from Arai. This is the fifth Ola scooter to receive PLI certification. The scooter has achieved 50% localization to qualify for PLI incentives, which are at 13 to 18% of the determined sales value of the product. UBS has initiated coverage on the Indian pharmaceutical sector, providing the following recommendations and target prices. Sun Pharma, buy with a target price of 2,450. Cipla, buy with a target price of 2060. Zydus Life, sell with a target price of 850. Dr. Reddy's Lab, sell with a target price of 5,700. Aurobindo Pharma, sell with a target price of 1333. Lupin, sell with a target price of 2,250. Polycab has reclaimed the 7,000 mark in just 3 months. Its year-to-date return is plus 29%, and it has surged plus 87% from its lows post-IT raid. Morgan Stanley upgrades power utilities. Morgan Stanley has upgraded the following power utility stocks. Tata Power, upgraded to overweight from underweight, target price increased to 577 from 331. Torrent Power, upgraded to overweight from underweight, target price increased to 2,268 from 1185. BHEL, upgraded to overweight from equal weight, target price increased to 352 from 220. Prathap Snacks shares surged nearly 12% after the company announced that Autham Investment and Infrastructure and Mahi Madhusudan Kela will be buying a stake in the company. PTC Industries has received a production order from BAE Systems for the supply of titanium castings for the M777 ultra-lightweight howitzer. Experts believes that QSR stocks like Domino's, McDonald's, and Pizza Hut are poised for a comeback due to recovering demand, contained inflation, and a low base phase. They highlights the importance of tracking their performance on new launches going forward. The Calcutta High Court has upheld an arbitration award of 950 crore in favor of Reliance Infra against Damodar Valley Corporation, DVC. DVC's appeal against the award was dismissed by the division bench of the court. As a result of this decision, Reliance Infra is set to receive 950 crore from DVC and the release of its 600 crore bank guarantee within 4 weeks. RITES has bagged an order worth 100 crore from Adani Ports for railway operations at Damra Port Company. The SEBI board will meet on September 30th to discuss potential reforms in the derivatives market, including changes to expiry regulations, addressing retail investor losses, implementing index-based weekly contracts, and increasing minimum contract values. SJVN has signed 2 memorandums of understanding with the government of Maharashtra. SpiceJet is planning to raise 3,500 crore to revive 30 grounded aircraft and address working capital needs. The airline will also acquire 35 to 40 planes from the secondary market to expand its fleet. To support these plans, SpiceJet has reduced aircraft deliveries from Boeing and is negotiating with lessors for favorable lease terms. TARC has approved the issuance of non-convertible debentures, NCDs, worth 1,000 crore. Tata Group plans to establish semiconductor units in Assam, Ozur, and other locations in India. TeamLease expects a 20% growth rate in IT hiring for the next financial year. In an interview, Sunil from Uno Minda said, a strategic partnership with Hyundai Mobis for the Indian market. Plans to expand this partnership to include newer models and products. Growth in the two-wheeler and passenger vehicle segments. Westlife Foodworld stock price has seen a significant intraday high of 9.16% and its trading volume has surged to 27 times its 30-day average. Goldman Sachs has upgraded the stock to a buy rating with a 12-month target price of 1075, implying an upside of 22.6%. Z Media Corp has approved a fundraise of 200 crore. Experts tweets. 3 important factors where the IPO-bound aggregator lags its rival. Swiggy's food delivery business has reached a turnaround stage. Instamart is lagging behind Blinkit, which is growing much faster. Zomato's operating metrics are better than Swiggy's. Zydus Life Sciences and CSIR-CDRI Lucknow have joined forces to develop a drug for chronic kidney disease-induced osteoporosis. This collaboration aims to address the significant healthcare need for patients suffering from this condition. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Bharat. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.